That's crazy. Because you got a double order for $6. And over here you got a double order for $15. Like, this is why we cherry pick. This is why we multi-app. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about multi-apping on Uber Eats and DoorDash, how to do it, what not to do. I'm gonna take you along with me on a few orders, show you what I do along the way. So the first thing you want to do is turn both of your apps on. I'm gonna wait and see what app sends me a good order, and I will accept that, and that will start my day. Our first, oh no, I took too long. Oh. All right, it looks like we're gonna do this one instead. $7, 3 miles. Get it before it goes. All right, I'm gonna be meeting him at his business. I feel like I delivered to this same guy before, because I remember hearing these same directions, meeting at the same spot. So it is 3 miles away. Let's go deliver it. Hi. Hey. There you
Definitely
go.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Interesting. They are adding $3.50 for 0 more miles, adding a minute. Do y'all think this is at the same place? Do you think? I'm not gonna take it anyways. Oh, getting an order on DoorDash. That is not a good order. I'm gonna go pause my dash and I'm gonna do this order on Uber Eats, and then once that's delivered, I'll turn my dash back on, because we don't dirty app like that.
Eventually.
Uber Eats, EC7. Both of them, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
All right, my GoPro said I waited exactly 10 minutes till that order was ready. It's 3 drinks and a sandwich. And there was 4 other dashers and eaters that was lined up next to me. Confirm pickup. I don't think I'm gonna pick up from here anymore. So another tip for multi-apping, like right now I have my DoorDash paused. It says 17 minutes. I don't want to miss that 17 minutes. So if it was lower, like, I would unpause it right now. You could also unpause it and then pause it again to start the 30 minutes over again. So don't let that run out, especially if your area is always gray and you had to schedule, because you'll lose your dash and then you're not multi-apping anymore. Which brings me to this question, if any of y'all can answer it. You know the coffee emoji, the coffee cup emoji on the Uber Eats screen? It pauses your shift so it doesn't give you orders. How long does that last? Like, is it just paused like for however long you need it to be paused, or does it eventually like notify you? Okay, am I at Aldi? I'm already at Aldi. But look at this, $3.75, 2.9 miles. Like, no, I'm not gonna shop. It's only one item. I'm gonna put a couple orders on the screen from DoorDash. While I've been doing the 2 Uber Eats orders, these are what I've been getting on DoorDash. Absolute trash. Imagine if I only had DoorDash today. This is what I would see, not the Uber Eats $7 and $8 orders. Wait, Uber's sending me 15 at Dunkin'. $15, 2 orders, 5.8 miles. I'm gonna do this one instead. That's crazy, because you got a double order for $6, and over here you got a double order for $15. Like, this is why we cherry pick. This is why we multi-app. Yeah. Do you have a cup holder?
Alright.
Okay. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enter your drop off.
It was already ready, which is good because I don't want these coffees to melt. All right, I just found someone's ID while I was getting in my car, so we might make a pit stop. Never mind. I don't know where that city is. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I think you can put them in the mailbox though. And I need to get a PIN number from them. And if you don't know what the PIN would be, it is the last 4 digits of the phone number they used on their app. All right, the PIN, I have the PIN. What is it? 8072. 8072. Thank you. And then, thank you. You're welcome. I was paid $4 base pay, $4.33 base pay, so the rest of that is the tip. What is this? Look at this trip radar. 645. How many miles was that? Request is no longer available. Bro, that is, did somebody accept that? And there might actually be a time when you have both the apps on and you get good orders on both of them. Then you have to decide which one are you going with. Which one are you going with? Because if you accept both of them, that is called dirty multi-apping, dirty apping. That is frowned upon. If you ordered food, you would not want to watch your driver pick up your food, drive to another restaurant, drive to another person's house, and then drive to you. They know what you're doing. They're going to complain, and if it's on Uber Eats, they are most likely going to take the tip back. So all in all, that work, that risk, it didn't pay off. But I know there are some instances, let's say both orders are at McDonald's and both orders are heading the same way, near the same neighborhood. Now then you just have to judge it the best you can. I'm not saying accept both of those orders. That is not what Sarah Elizabeth is saying. Use your own judgment, okay? I'm not telling you what to do. Use your own judgment. Do what you do. But if that was me, I would not accept both of those McDonald's orders. I would pick one of them. Or I would accept both of them and I would see which one is put out first, and I'll get that one and then I'll unassign the other one. You know, work the system a little bit. So that's basically how you multi-app. You turn on all your apps at the beginning of your shift and you see which one gives you the best one first. You accept it, and then you could turn the rest of them off, pause them, whatever you gotta do. And when you're at the drop-off or almost to the drop-off, you could turn the other apps back on, and hopefully you'll just keep ping-ponging with good orders between the apps that you're using. Now today, DoorDash didn't send me anything good at all. Uber Eats was on fire compared to DoorDash today. I'm a busy girl. I got other things I gotta do. So when I do deliver food, I make sure I can make the most money in the littlest time I can, because that's just what I'm available. I'm basically addicted to multi-apping since I can do that again. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Either I or another driver will answer them for you, or I can answer them in another video. Give it a like, make sure you subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in my next video.